how to find a value of a trigonometric function. This first quadrant, sine, cosine, tangent, same. Because this angle is a quadrant angle, all are positive. How to find the angle value and second quadrant? Here, the theta and quadrant. So the value we can find here is we can rely on this theta 1. So sin theta equal 180 degree minus theta. But the second quadrant, only sine is positive, other is negative. So cosine theta is equal negative cosine 180 degree minus theta. Tangent theta, the negative tangent pi minus theta. How to find the value and third quadrant? So it means at the third quadrant, only tangent theta is positive. So here, sin theta equal negative sin theta minus pi, and cosine theta equal negative cosine theta minus pi. Tangent theta equal tangent theta minus pi. So how to find another value and fourth quadrant? Because fourth quadrant, only cosine is positive, other is negative. So here, sin theta equal negative sin 2 pi minus theta. Cosine theta equal cosine 2 pi minus theta. Tangent theta equal negative tangent 2 pi minus theta. So why you can use a definition to find? For example, this, you want to find this at this point, this angle theta. So you can, through this point, find his x and y. So sin theta means this side, this side over hypotenuse, but this is negative, so the value is negative. Cosine theta, adjacent side over hypotenuse side, so it's positive. Tangent theta, opposite side over adjacent side, so but this one, this opposite side is negative, so it's negative tangent 2 pi minus theta.